Thanks for checking out birdsupplies.com. Today we want to show you our Java tree. This item is shipped to you in 3 parts. We've got a generous sized tray. As you can see, it's got some beautiful carving on it. And each piece is going to be numbered. This is obviously tree number 18, not 81, sorry. Notice the base, how well built it is. Very sturdy base. It's got braces on it, very sturdy bracing on the inside, swivel casters, 4 swivel casters, and here's an up-close personal shot of how the base and the tree attach, how the tree and the tray attach. You notice that when they were making this, they numbered 1, 2, 3, because there's 3 holes in the bottom of the tree, right here. Again, numbered 1, 2, 3, so that you can easily figure out how to attach it. The actual tree part has 3-inch long prongs that stick into the bottom of the branched upper tree part. Right here, again, they're numbered so that you know which peg goes in which hole, and those are the 3 parts. Assembling the Java tree is pretty easy. You first put the stump, or the bottom part of the tree, onto the tray, and then you insert the top part, which is the branches, onto the pegs, and that's it. So here's our assembled tree. Mandy's checking it out. Just check out all that climbing area she has. It's a beautiful tree. This would make a great foraging tree. All you really need to do is add some eye hooks and a couple of our great foraging buckets that you can get at birdsupplies.com, and voila, you've got yourself a parrot paradise. Thanks for checking out birdsupplies.com.